Hello everyone. Today we learn numbers. Read after me and repeat after me. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10. Thank you.